Alright guys, so like I said I was going to do a unboxing of this. This is all I did. I cut it open. That's about it. So, let's see what's in here. This is going to be a surprise to me too. Oops. Get the router out of the way. Oh, couplers. Put that over here. Oh, another box. A box inside a box. Ooh. One second, guys. Setting this down. Sorry, guys. Just opening this real quick. So the intake itself, right here. Pretty fancy. Just gotta take this part out. Oh no, that's what? Hold on, guys. Figure that part out in a minute. We got this. What else we got in here? Everything else. Sweet. Well, that's the intake. Here's everything. I know my table's messy. Got a lot of dog food on it and stuff. But there it is, guys. So, hope you guys enjoy. Crappy unboxing video, I know. But I'm excited to see, how this intake works and stuff like that. So, yeah, guys. See ya.